Hello guys, how are you all? In this video we'll talk about the new upcoming phone from Huawei, that is Huawei 20i. Huawei 20i is a lighter version of the flagship phone, that is Huawei 20, that Huawei is launching in the month of May 2019. So let us know the specs of this Huawei 20i. Huawei 20i display is 6.21 inch, which is an IPS LCD display with full HD plus resolution. So this phone will be powered by the powerful mid-range processor from Huawei, that is Kirin 710. Kirin 710 is clocked at 2.2 GHz coupled with 4GB RAM or 6GB of RAM with the internal storage of 64GB or 128GB. It has got a great camera at rear and front too. The rear camera is a triple rear camera of 24MP plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens plus 2MP depth sensor. This triple rear camera setup takes very detailed image and perfect portrait shots. It has got a huge 32MP selfie camera, super selfie camera that we have seen in Huawei P30 Pro. So this is a best camera combination of rear and front. So battery of this phone is 3400 mAh provided with a 10-watt charger that charges the phone quite faster. So this phone will directly compete with Vivo V15 Pro and Oppo F11 Pro and Sony S10 Plus and Nokia X71, as there are many competitors in the range of $350 to $450 or $500. So this phone will outperform all the phones available at this price range. So this phone is a great combination of camera, powerful processor, great looking, good build quality, and overall this phone looks good for the price it is coming with. So this is all about new Huawei 20i. If you like the phone, please hit the like button. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.